Welcome back. If you're a business owner or marketeer, you know the pain. Creating content used to eat up our entire week. Filming, editing, thumbnails, captions, metadata, posting across 6 different platforms, yada, yada, yada. It was a full-time job for our team, but not anymore. As part of our Everything app, we will show you how we vibe coded our own content machine, a marketing engine powered by AI. The result? Our small team now creates and publishes at the pace of a fully blown media company. And here's exactly how it works. It generates script ideas. The system analyzes our company AI, reviewing recent developments in the company. It then cross-references this with industry trends to generate ideas for YouTube scripts. It generates video shorts. The app can get script ideas and create engaging short animated videos or similar based upon the long-form video content. The system even suggests social hooks tailored to each platform. Automatic thumbnail production. No more generic frames or random screenshots. Our AI designs eye-catching thumbnails proven to convert clicks, all while keeping your brand look and feel consistent. SEO optimized metadata. Captions, descriptions, hashtags, title tags. The system ensures SEO best practices are baked in. The system writes it all in seconds and adapts for each platform's algorithm. Cross-platform scheduling and posting. One dashboard, one workflow. Schedule and auto-post across YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, Facebook, and track engagement from a single place. And all this is built around your brand. Think of it as Hootsuite meets Canva meets Opus Clip, but this engine is built specifically for your brand voice and your content strategy. No more copy-paste jobs or generic automation. The magic is in the integration. Every piece of content pulls from your AI-powered knowledge base and previous campaigns. Custom prompts and templates ensure your branding is always on brand. Analytics feedback flows right back into the system, so your next campaign is smarter from day one. We've included the exact workflows and AI prompts we use to make this happen in the notes below. If you're ready to stop drowning in content chaos and start outpacing your competitors, this is your blueprint. Why settle for slow and scattered when you can automate like a media powerhouse, no matter your team size? So subscribe for more vibe coding tutorials as we break down every core business system inside the Everything app and model it for you. Alternatively, you can reach out if you want our experts to build your custom marketing engine or Everything app from scratch. Many thanks. Thanks for watching, and now a word from our prehistoric sponsors.
My gosh! I opened this Everything app and it immediately booked my dentist, planned my week, and somehow remembered my nephew's birthday. At this point, I'm just looking for the button that stops giant space rocks. Seriously, I'm not joking about those space rocks.